Hi, in this demonstration, we are going to see how an admin or a teacher can create a worksheet. I have logged in into the platform as an admin and navigate to academics and then my test from the left menu. After clicking on my test, click on test repository. So here we can create tests and as well as publish and schedule them. Now as you can see, this is the list of all the tests that have been created earlier. Now to create a new test, click on the create test icon and these are the steps that we need to follow while creating a test. Click on next. First, while creating a test, we need to give a test name. So as we are going to create a worksheet, I will be giving the test name as English worksheet. And then select the board. The grade for which we are going to create, I'll be selecting 6th grade and the total number of questions for this worksheet will be 5 and marks I'm selecting as 5. And in the test type, as we are going to create a worksheet, select worksheet and then click on next. So here in this page, we can select the subject, chapter, subtopic and complexity and then select the questions. Now we have different subjects for grade 6. So as we are going to create English worksheet, I'll select English and we have the chapter list of English and we can select the chapter as well as the subtopics. We can select one single subtopic or all together and then we have different complexity levels where the questions will be based on these complexities. If the teacher wants to assign a worksheet only based on simple complexity level, the teacher can select only simple. If she wants to give the questions from all types of complexities, then just click on select all and click on get questions. So here we'll be getting the list of all the questions that are associated to chapter 1 and for this particular subtopics. So just by clicking on the add button, the questions can be selected. Once after selecting the questions, on the right side we can see the count of the questions and also we can preview the questions that we have selected. Once we have done selecting the questions, click on next and here we can give the marking for the question and we can also preview. If the teacher wants to add more questions, she can just go back and add, and if the teacher is satisfied with the paper that she has made, click on create. Then the worksheet will be created and can be seen by the student. Thank you.